Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to use Fiverr. A platform is a freelancing platform where if you need a web designer or things related to online business, you can just go enter and then you can see somebody offering the service that you want. It could be a banner, a logo, a website design. You need somebody to do anything IT related or information technology related. If you go to Fiverr, you get a solution. So I want to teach you how you can use Fiverr. So you can just click in the link in the description to this video and just go straight into it. Okay, and you can just sign up. So that's an associated link in the description, and then you can just get to this platform. So basically Fiverr is for people. You can start a business with this Fiverr. So with Fiverr you can just start your business without even having any skill at all. So you don't need to be a web designer, you don't need to be a logo designer. You can just tell people that you can offer those services to them. Then when you come to Fiverr, you can just enter what you want. So let's say you tell somebody that, oh, I know somebody that can design a banner for you. So now that you've gotten that kind of business or project, you come to Fiverr, you can just search banner, and then whoops, there'll be a pop-up. So we have web banners for websites, social media headers, even Instagram. If you need content for Instagram almost every day, content on even any social media platform every day, when you come to Fiverr, you get people who are available, who offer it for you. So you see somebody saying, I'll design a YouTube banner for you at what, $40. So if you tell somebody that, oh, I offer a service by designing YouTube banners and even banners in general for people, they can give you maybe $50 or any amount. And then when you even come here, you see that somebody is offering the same banner, can offer the same banner that this person is offering at $40 at maybe $10, $35, or even less. Do you get it? So you say this one is even less because it says I will make banners for YouTube, Twitter, even Twitter, Twitch, profile pictures at $5, just $5. This person is making it at YouTube, banner for YouTube at $40. So you can just scroll and you see online sellers, local sellers, pro sellers, and you can make a business out of this Fiverr. I will design the perfect YouTube banner in 1 hour. So this site is a worldwide site. Everywhere in the world, people land on this site looking for customers. If you also like, you can also register and become a member. So you can just join Fiverr. When you join, click on join. You can just register, or you can just visit join Fiverr, and then you continue however it is, and then you can become a member. When you become a member, you can have an account and you can be buying. However, you don't even need an account to buy. So you can, we always encourage that this Fiverr, if you need anything related to social media, web design, anything at all, blogs, you are not good at IT and then you need assistance, I recommend this Fiverr for you. So you can just get started, whoever it is. As you click on the link in the description to Fiverr, just join and just sign up, and then you enter your email address, you continue, and then if you become a member. So when you are a member, you have an account, and whenever you come here, you can just sign in. So whenever you come here after you have joined, you can just sign in. So this is all that I have for you. So for example, let's go ahead and go to digital marketing. You see that digital marketing, we have so many pop-ups. We have SEO, we have social media marketing, we have video marketing, music promotion. So if you are a musician, if you want to promote your videos or your music, if you're a video editor, you can come here and then register. You can just log in. So as you are here, as you are watching this video, I encourage that you just sign up. Joining me, sign up. You can become a seller. If you want to become a seller on Fiverr, you can. Whenever you come here your second time, you can just sign in and transact every business that you need. So for example, advertising, content, social, search. So you want to find more about digital marketing before you even hop on Fiverr. They have so many guides, so many information for you. So digital marketing basics. Yeah. So we have all these things available for you. Yeah. So if you want to sell any product, you can become affiliate on Fiverr. You can invite your friend, and there are so many. So see you in my next videos, and you can subscribe to this channel. We'll be sharing anything in relation with your business, anything that will help your business grow, or any information that will help you to start a business on this channel. So see you in my next video. Bye.